Good morning, everybody. Good morning from this side of the world. This is a really quick video. With We're just gonna talk about the word Ingon, okay? Because there's so many uses for this versatile word. So today's video, expressions with Ingon, we'll talk about its uses, the commonly many ways to use it, right? Ingon, it just means, as a verb, it means to tell, right? But sometimes it can also mean to say or to speak. It just really depends on the context, but we can translate it roughly to the verb to tell in English. Now I say or speak with the asterisks because Ingon has that kind of similar relationship with English verbs. The difference between to say, to speak, and to tell. Like you tell someone something, you say something to someone, but you tell someone something, right? Ingon has a similar kind of effect, okay, with other similar verbs in the Cebuano language. So that's just it as a verb. It expresses directionality, right? So when you're going to be expressing a direction of someone going something or someone or an object, whatever, right? You got noun that's going somewhere. Clarity by example, if you want to clarify something or really show examples to someone else, and I'll show you through the example sentences below. And finally, it's also used in fixed expressions, right? And commonly fixed expressions. So, I guess we'll just see the examples below just to get you ideas on how this works. Okay, but these are just common usages for this versatile verb or word ingon. Ingon. Okay, first sentence. Here it is. Ingon ni Marco nga ikaw ang payaso sa sirko gikan sa Rusya. Okay, so this one's your classic verb, right? Ingon, right? It's a classic usage as a verb to say, to speak, to tell, right? It's that. Marco said, right? Ingon ni Marco. Marco said that, blah, 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 okay? Marco said that you're the circus clown coming from Russia, right? Ingon ni Marco nga ikaw ang payaso sa sirko gikan sa Rusya. Right? Marco said you're the circus clown from Russia. The next sentence is your very classic, where are you going? Asa mo pangingon, right? Asa mo pangingon. Lingkod mo usa mga peta. That was yeah. I lost my place now. Okay. Asa mo pangingon. Lingkod mo usa mga peta. Okay, it's more like, where are y'all going? Sit down for a bit. Like lingkod mo usa, lingkod, sit down for a bit. Let's have coffee. We'll drink coffee. Mangape, right? Mangapeta. And then the next one is what yut ko nakita. Maorak dig ingon nato. So this person is saying, "Oh, I really didn't see it." It's kind of like the what we say di ingon nato, right? Maorag di ingon nato is more like this is a fixed expression. Di ingon nato. Actually, the previous sentence I forgot to explain. So paingon is that directionality. Where are y'all headed? Where are y'all going? Where's your direction? You know, where are you directing yourselves in that kind of matter? But anyway, moving here. So the ingon nato is in a fixed expression, and this the Ingonato is a folklore kind of Cebuano folklore where like the enchanted things we don't see. So it can pertain to things like spirits, ghosts, things that are very superstitious to Visayan language speakers. I guess it can also apply to other Filipino language speakers. But yeah, the Ingonato is just a cluster of things that we don't see. Di ingon nato, literally, when you translate this literally, it means we don't say. Like di ingon nato, the things we don't say, right? That's what it means literally. But di ingon nato, we understand it to be like the enchanted, so to speak. I guess not really enchanted, but like spiritual things that we don't see, right? They can be really evil, you know. So those kind of like superstitious kind of things. Next one, the last two are kind of similar because they show the clarity by example, and this is what I mean. Kaingon ko og blah 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 blah, which roughly translates to I thought that blah 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 blah. So it's like you can express this using something that you previously thought but you found out was not right or was not true. Kaingon ko og blah blah blah, right? And then the last one is also similar by clarity by example. So aberbe ambi daw ingon ani. And ingon ani means like this. Okay, so the first part is more like aberbe, let's see it. Ambi daw is like pass it over. Pass it over, come on. Ingon ani, it's like this. I'll show you. It's like this. Blah 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 blah. Okay? So hopefully that can help you understand the versatile uses of the word ingon, which is a crazy verb in the Cebuano language.